How y'all doing today? Today we got a brand new lock here from the dollar store. I know, cheapo. We can try to take it for you. So let's start by opening it on up. Alright, here we go. Nice virgin lock. And here we go. Ooh, she is tight. Then again, most versions are. Boy, is she tight with that with that tension tool in there. It's kind of an odd keyway. I don't know if you can see that. And there we go. We got it set, and there it is. Boys and girls. Guess the dollar store lock was a lot harder than I thought it would be.